Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on implicit differentiation, which is a part of the syllabus of A-level mathematics. This question is taken from March 19, variant is 3-2. So, equation given to you is sin y is equals to tan x between y values, and you have to show that dy over dx equals to this. So, let's start doing it. Sin y is equals to tan x. When you differentiate sine, trigonometric ratio, it becomes cos y, and we know dy over dx. Now, if you don't know why it is so, I'm just explaining here for a quick recap. For example, I have to differentiate y square with respect to dx. Just giving an example. I cannot differentiate it. So I apply here the concept of chain rule, which is I will differentiate y square with respect to y into dy over dx. And then just like a normal differentiation, it becomes 2y dy over dx. So we learn from there that whenever we are differentiating y with respect to x, just like a normal differentiation we do, and after that we will multiply it by dy over dx. So sine differentiation is cos, so it is cos y, and along with dy over dx. Differentiation of tan x is sec square x. If you need further explanation on this, you can mention in the comment and I'll explain it to you. So I get dy over dx is equals to sec square x over cos y. Now what I have to prove? Has both cos, one is cos 2x, which is very clearly the double angle formula, and x, there is no y. So this is a point to ponder. What I'm getting is cos y. So what you have to think here, okay, how can you change this y into x? So you need to go back to the original equation, right? Which is given here. So you can say sin y equals to tan x. If you square it both sides, it will become sin square y equals to tan square x. And we know sin square y is equals to 1 minus cos square y, identity, right? So from here, I can easily get cos y. So I will take square root on both sides, which will give me 1 minus tan square x equals to cos y. So I will replace cos y by root 1 minus tan square x. And instead of sec square x, we can use the identity 1 over cos square x. We know it is a reciprocal function. So from here now, you have to keep in mind it is cos x and cos 2x. Now let's recall here what is cos 2x. We know that cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x, and there are two more formula which we derive from here. But at this point, what I notice that instead of tan square x, if I write here sin square x over cos square x, right? This is an identity. And let this be, this one will come here, you know that, right? Numerator. So now this thing, just a minute, let me write here. If I take LCM, it will become cos square x minus sin square x. Agreed? Can you see? Exactly same thing. Divided by cos square x. Now you must know one concept. Okay, let me write one more line, then I will go into it. So now I have cos square x into cos square x minus sin square x. And this cos square x is also in the root, but when I take it out, it will become cos x. Agreed? So now I can cancel this cos x with one of the square value. So what I'm getting here, dy over dx is equals to 1 over cos x. And instead of cos square x minus sin square x, I can write cos 2x. Proved. So I hope you understood all these steps. Thank you very much for watching the video. If there is any particular question you want to understand, you can mention in the comment and I'll upload the video on that. Take care. Allah Hafiz.